Reddi, an English language professional, back again this evening of 15th May 2022, 25, I'm sorry, with a session for law students. So today evening I have Swapna with me, who is a law student, and we will be talking about different topics today. Certain topics concerning law and some other topics as well. Good evening, Swapna. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I am fine. What about you?
I'm fine too. Fine too. So because it's a little hot, I prefer to stay at home. So I am actually sheltered from the heat, I think.
Yes.
Did you go out today?
No, ma'am. I didn't go
You were two were
anywhere.
at home?
Yeah,
That's
yes.
good. So I believe though we have had some occasional showers, but I still think it's a little hot.
Yes.
Don't you think so?
Yes, ma'am.
If we have some more showers, some more rains, I think it will be better.
Yes.
Okay, so starting today, I just wanted to ask you, did you go to the newspapers today?
Today, no, ma'am.
No.
I didn't saw
Okay.
newspaper.
Or if you have heard any particular news on maybe social media, anything which we thought was a little out of the ordinary. Would you like to talk about it?
Just before the session, I observed some mangoes article in the Deccan Chronicle.
What was it about? What did it say?
They are saying about mangoes is a memories to them.
Memories.
Memories, because each one they are saying their childhood memories about mangoes, and how their father and grandfathers get that mangoes and feed them. So I
I
studied that,
know.
I read that article.
Yeah, yeah. So I remember my grandmother used to call us always in summer.
Yeah.
And she would say, because there were some trees, mango trees in the home as well. So she would say, always come during summer, so you will have a lot of mangoes. And so we used to travel to Visakhapatnam in the summer seasons, though it
Yes.
was quite hot at the
Yeah.
time. But because the mangoes attracted us,
Yeah.
we wanted to go, and
And summer we have
particularly
some
because they're
holidays.
mangoes from the home,
Yeah.
homegrown
Yes,
mangoes.
yes, ma'am.
So that was the charm, additional charm. She would have them collected and keep them in hay before her grandchildren came, so
Yeah.
that they would be suitably ready to eat.
Eat.
So that was a fun part of our childhood days, I remember.
Yes. Of course, in summer we have some summer holidays in childhood days, so we visit to our grandma's place.
That's
Not only
true.
we, everyone they like to
Visits.
visits their amama's place, and they normally they bring mangoes, uncles, aunts, and
When
cousins.
I was in school, I remember we also had holidays during winter. There's a
Okay.
Christmas break also. So we used to have about 1 month time in holidays in those days when I was in school. I'm talking about that time. But then preferably, she would ask us to come during summer because mangoes are there. In winter, you don't get mangoes.
Yes, yes.
So she would say, come in summer preferably
Yeah.
because they are mangoes.
Yeah.
So talking about legal terms, yesterday I was asking you some. So today I thought I'd ask you some more legal terminology to see if you're up to date.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll read out the definition and you can give me the word for it. Okay.
Okay.
Um, a court's authority to hear a case. What is it called? Court's authority to hear a case.
Hearing,
Hearing.
hearing the case.
Hearing is the process, but is there any other word for it?
Mm. Court authority.
Hmm. Jurisdiction.
Jurisdiction.
Hmm. A particular court's authority. We could say some courts, some cases go to the
Some specific
suburban courts or
some
something. Hmm.
jurisdiction means
Hmm.
that place comes under some specific court that we call as jurisdiction.
Yes, jurisdiction. So you're talking about a court's authority to hear case. Maybe a particular case comes under that jurisdiction. Maybe
Yes,
it's in that physical area, perhaps geographical area.
yes, yes,
Then it goes to that particular case, court, maybe.
yes.
Okay. The unlawful killing of a human being with malice, aforethought. The unlawful killing of a human being with malice.
It's a crime.
What is the word for that? Somebody is killed
With
some malice, that means with some prejudice. Somebody is prejudiced and he goes and kills somebody. So what is that act called in legal terms?
pre-intention crime or pre-intention murder.
Murder. It's
Murder.
basically murder
Yeah.
because it's done with an intention. Not all killings are murders, no? Sometimes they are called, some other word is there, homicide, I think.
Because not every murder before the intention to kill that person.
There's no intention.
Sometimes they
yes.
without
Accidentally
knowing
it
them,
happens, yes.
accidentally it will happen.
A legal document expressing a person's wishes for property distribution after death.
Succession.
A legal document
Will.
expressing, it's a will.
Will.
Yes, it's a will. People who might write a will before they they might feel, okay, after I die,
this property
the property should be distributed in a certain way.
Yeah.
So that's called a will. The rights of an author over their original creative work. So when we talk about authors, they could be authors of books, they could be, let's say, the writer of a film story, screenplay, whatever. So the rights of an author over their original creative work.
Yesterday we discussed that word. Now I am not getting that word.
Copyright?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. A person under the legal age of adulthood.
Legal is under the.
A person under the legal age of adulthood.
18 years.
Yeah, what is that person called? Who is under the legal age of adult? Who is not yet an adult?
Minor.
Minor. Yes. So adulthood comes. Somebody is considered an adult at the age of
18.
So somebody is under that age, who is below that age, is called a minor. Yes. And there are separate rules for minors.
Yes.
Laws. The laws might be different for a major. Somebody is an adult.
Normally, for normal adulthood is 18 years. If some guardian is there to see you, then the adulthood comes at 21 years, not 18 years. He treated as adult at 21 years.
Is that so? I never heard of that.
Yeah.
Okay. The process of resolving disputes outside of court.
Arbitration.
Arbitration, yes, very good. I think that's a process of resolving disputes outside a court is arbitration. A law enacted by a legislative body. A law enacted by a legislative body.
It's law.
What's that body called?
Parliament.
Parliament is actually executive. Okay, tell me, it's
Legislature.
it is statute. A law enacted by a legislative body. Statute.
Answer is statute. Okay, I don't know. I don't know
Okay.
this.
The legal responsibility for one's actions or omissions. The legal responsibility for one's actions or omissions. Anything I do or somebody does, and something they have not done, they still have a legal responsibility. What is that word called? Particularly when they have not done what they're supposed to do.
What? Some options, ma'am.
Liability, it's actually
Yeah,
liability.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A contract where one party agrees to compensate another for potential loss. A contract where one party agrees to compensate another for potential loss. Potential. The loss has not happened, but there is a contract. That okay, if there is a loss here, then I will compensate. What is it called?
Remedy.
Legal terms? Is there a legal term for this?
Indemnity.
What about insurance? In insurance also there is some kind of a contract?
Insurance. Yes,
Health insurance, accident insurance, home safety insurance. There's so many different kinds of insurance that people take. So I suppose when they say home safety and all that, if there's a robbery in the house or there's some other fire in the house and there's a lot of loss, then if the person has taken insurance, they are paid for it.
Yes,
that is because that contract.
Sometimes we call damages also.
But there is already a contract here.
In contract.
People take health insurance, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So they are paid for, if there is a health problem, they are paid for that, whatever the problem is. So it's called insurance. Insurance is one, but maybe there are other legal terms. I'm not sure.
Yes.
The study of law and legal systems. What is it called? The study of law and legal systems. I'm sure you know the word, you don't remember it.
Jurisprudence.
Very good. It is jurisprudence. Very good. So you got a big word. It's quite I think it's a slightly longish word, but you got it very correctly.
Thank you.
I think I'm learning a lot of legal terms. This makes it interesting. We were also talking about tenses and verbs and their tenses, tense forms. So today we'll look at some more examples. Every sentence has got 4 options. So you can choose the right option. So there are some words, sentences that I've ticked like 1, 4. So you can only try those. Okay? Read the instructions on the top. Loudly.
Each set 1 to 12 has 3 sentences A, B, C using the same verb but in different tenses. Simple present, present continuous or present perfect. Choose the correct verb from the 4 options A, B, C, D. Note: the correct answers are jumbled and do not follow a fixed pattern.
Okay, number 1.
She dash breakfast every morning.
What is the verb given on the top? Is there a verb given?
Eat.
Eat. Okay.
She eats breakfast every morning.
Okay. Yes. So it's simple present tense?
Yes, ma'am. Every morning.
The present tense is in the simple present tense because it's something which she does every day, every morning. Okay. Next.
Right now, she dash breakfast in the kitchen.
Read the options.
Option A, has eaten. Option B, eats. Option C, ate. Option D, is eating. Option D, is eating.
Okay. Very good. That's right. And what form of present tense is this?
Present continuous.
Present continuous, because she is having it right now. So there is a helping verb plus the verb eat plus ing form.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So we should, as soon as we see this, we should know it's continuous form and that to present continuous.
She dash breakfast already today. Option A eats, option B has eaten, option C is eating, option D ate. She ate breakfast already today.
Ate is present tense or what is it?
Past tense.
Past tense. But we are looking at present tenses here. And just
She
read it
has
again.
ate. She has eaten.
Eaten.
She has eaten breakfast already today.
And it is present perfect because it's something which has just happened. Okay, she's already eaten breakfast. It's maybe 1 hour now or half an hour that she's eaten breakfast already.
Okay.
So it's not something which happened sometime in the past.
Okay.
And so whenever we use the present perfect, the participle form is used, like eaten. Eat, the present participle of eat is eaten. Participle form it is called. Plus there is a helping word which is present tense again. She has eaten.
She has eaten.
Okay.
Next. Verb is run. Question
Number
4.
Okay.
I dash in the park every evening. Option A, I am running. Option B, run. Option C, have run. Option D, ran. I run in the park every evening.
Okay, very good. So this is which form
Present.
of the present tense? Simple present?
Simple present.
Okay.
I dash in the park right now. Option A, have run. Option B, ran. Option C, I am running. Option D, run. I am running in the park right now.
Right now. Okay. It's happening right now. Fine. Very good. Next.
I dash in the park today, so I am tired. Option A, run. Option B, I am running. Option C, have run. Option D, ran. I have run in the park today, so I am tired.
I have run, yes. Now, why do I use present perfect here and not the past tense?
Because today, it's today.
It's today and the effect is still there. You know, had he run yesterday, day before, some other time, effect, he's still tired.
Yes.
He has already run, and so it's present perfect because the effect can be seen even now. Okay, he's feeling tired.
Yes.
So that is why we use present perfect here.
We dash for exams every night. Option A, are studying. B, study. C, have studied. D, studied. We study for exams every night.
Yes. Simple present? Is
Present
it simple present?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Every night.
You can tell me the form or the present tense, so that you are more clear about it, isn't it?
Okay.
Next.
We dash for exams in the library now. We are studying for exams in the library now.
Yes.
It's present continuous tense, ma'am. Here it's now is there, means it's doing now. It's happening now.
Yeah, they're studying right now.
Yeah, it's present continuous tense.
Helping verb plus
ing.
Verb plus ing.
Yes. We dash for exams all week. Option A, study. Option B, are studying. Option C, have studied. Option D, studied. We have studied for exams all week.
Yes. Have studied. Present perfect.
Perfect.
Okay. Yes. Good.
She dash at the studio every Saturday. Option A is dancing. Option B, have danced. Option C, dances. Option D, danced. She dances at the studio every Saturday.
Yes.
Present tense, simple present tense.
Simple present because
every Saturday.
It's a practice.
Yeah.
Every Saturday she dances.
She dances.
Okay.
She dash at the studio right now. Dances. Option A, dances. Option B is dancing. Option C, has danced. Option D, danced. Here answer is option B. is dancing. She is dancing at the studio right now.
Okay, good.
Because it's present continuous tense.
It's happening right now. She
Yes.
is dancing.
Helping verb is and ing form.
Dance, main verb plus ing form.
Yeah.
Dance is the main verb.
Okay. Then is what?
Is helping her.
Yeah. Yes. She dash at the studio for hours today. Option A is dancing. Option B dances. Option C has danced. Option D danced. She has danced at the studio for hours today.
Hours.
Hours
Yes.
today.
She has danced at the studio. The number of hours, sometimes the number of hours is given. Many hours, this, that.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
also we can use present perfect. Yes. Is that all? That's good. Now, can you think of making a sentence with dance or any other verb of your choice?
I don't understand.
In any, you can make a sentence of your own with simple present tense, maybe using dance as a verb.
She dances every morning.
She dance, is it correct? Is it she dance or I dance? When you say dance, does it match with the subject? She dance or she dances?
She dances.
She dances.
She dances.
But if I say I or
I
dance, but she, he, it is always dances. When we talk about a third person, somebody else, or when I say Swapna dances or Mohan dances, whatever, we talk about a third person, then it's always dances. Otherwise, with I, it's dance. With you,
dances.
dance. No,
With
you
you
also
also.
dance.
Oh, okay,
You also dance.
Okay.
I.
You.
So with first person and with second person, it's always dance. With the third person pronouns, or even if it's a noun, it's always dances. So that we have to remember. These are all simple present tense, but they change with the subject, with the pronoun, or even if it's a name of a person, they change. The teacher teaches. But if I say I, then it's I teach.
I teach.
But if we talk about somebody else, a teacher, could be anyone, or he teaches, she teaches, whatever, it's teaches. But with I, it is teach. With you also, it is teach.
I and you singular.
Teach.
With the other.
No, they're all singular. The teacher is also singular, isn't it?
Yeah.
But the forms are different. So that's what we have to remember in English, that the subject could be a pronoun, I, you, or it could be a person. The teacher teaches, it's a noun, but it's a subject.
Yeah.
The teacher teaches, Rama teaches, anybody. The teacher, the headmistress, the principal teaches something, whatever it is. We're talking about a third person. But if it is I teach or you teach, I teach them English every day or whatever it is. So I teach. But if it's a third person, somebody else, it's always teaches. Okay. With you also it is teach. Okay. You teach them very well, for example.
Yes.
So then you teach. I teach. But with somebody else, third person, it's always teaches. So this is what we have to remember. And these are all simple present tense.
Yes,
okay. So the subject has to match with the verb. So we will also look at some, where is this? Newspaper words, or it's not sometimes verbs, it could be a group of words also. So just see whatever I've circled and read the headings and then find out the meaning from the context.
Hydra chief visits a site of land encroachment. The Hydra chief visit the land which is encroached by the people.
What is encroached here?
Encroached means some water bodies. Some water bodies and around the water bodies, they build their houses or they
Encroachment,
shops.
yeah, you're right. Illegally, they are doing
Yeah.
it,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
not necessarily near water bodies. It could be anywhere. Sometimes people just illegally take somebody else's land, or they might take government land also, and build that, whatever huts or houses there, and then they say it's our place.
Oh, yes,
We have
yes.
been living here for 1 year, so many days, 2 years, 3 years. So Hydra, as you know, is the organization which is looking into all these illegal
Illegal building.
land acquisition, buildings,
Yes.
whatever it is. Anything which is illegal and people are building something there. So Hydra chief, okay, he visits
Chief
those
visits
sites.
site of land encroachment.
Encroachment, yes. So encroachment is basically illegally occupying
Occupying
somebody else's land. That could be encroachment. It could be a water body where people might build something there beside the water body. They build a hotel or a restaurant, or it could be somebody else's land also. They just take it like that, encroach upon it. So illegally taking up that
yes.
place. Yes.
Okay.
Next, what is this?
Haryana vultures to fly in Nehru Zoo.
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 Yeah,
Yes. What is it then? What does it mean, Haryana vultures? What are vultures?
Vultures. Vultures are the birds which fly above the sky.
All birds fly in the sky.
Above the
Vultures
sky.
are
Vulture sky more.
yeah, they're
vultures.
bigger, much bigger. They're bigger than eagles also. Vultures. So these
They're
are
bigger
those.
in size compared to all other birds, and they eat the flesh of the humans. In some Parsi culture, they used to. They
Parsis have
yeah,
that system
yes, ma'am.
that a dead body is exposed to, kept in
vultures.
the open, so that vultures can feed upon it and be fed.
Yes.
But here, what does it mean? Haryana vultures to fly in Nehru Zoo.
I think from Haryana to this Nehru Zoo, they shift some vultures to breed them because they are in endangered species now. To increase those count, they are protecting some vultures and shifting some vultures from there to here to protect them.
Very good, very good. That's very good. Yes. Haryana vultures to fly in Nehru Zoo. Nehru Zoo, as you know, is a zoo which is located in Hyderabad. It's called the Nehru Zoological Park.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, they are building some kind of a
breeding
center
centers
for them so that these Haryana vultures from Haryana can come here. And as you said, maybe the vultures are endangered right now.
Yes, ma'am.
So they're trying to breed them
because they sustain on animal meat. Most of the vultures. Some veterinary doctors and veterinary clinics, they are using some chemicals to the buffaloes and some other animals to treat the animals. When they died, these vultures eat that meat, and these vultures also died due to that chemical present in that body of the buffaloes.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Okay.
So nowadays vulture counts are very low.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
I wasn't aware of it. What about this?
Victim's family alleges death in lockup, demands action.
What is alleges here?
They claims.
They claim, yes.
Yeah.
They're claiming, what do they claim?
About the death in lockup.
Some. Who is the victim?
Irfan.
So the victim's family alleges death. Now the victim is the person who has died.
Yes.
And he died in where?
Lockup. Police lockup.
Police lockup. So they are alleging, they are blaming
police
for the death of their family
son.
member.
Yeah.
And what are they demanding? They are demanding?
Demands action.
Action, yes.
To take some action upon the death of that person.
When somebody dies in lockup, they're not supposed to die, no? The police might keep them for investigation and try to do, but if somebody dies in lockup, then it sort of, the blame comes to the police. But the police apparently is saying that he died of a heart attack.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So this is the situation. Any more?
Here if one is
Okay.
a right to risky.
So what are they showing and underneath, and what is it?
On scooty, somebody taking swimming pool for kids. It's too dangerous while they are riding the scooty because some imbalance is there. So
Yes. So it shows two people on a two-wheeler.
two-wheeler.
And somebody at the back is the pillion rider is holding an inflatable pool
Swimming
kind
pool.
of a thing.
Swimming pool for
little
kids.
pool for children, and it's sort of quite risky because it's a little big thing.
Yes,
And it's a little difficult.
It's difficult.
Okay, I think that's all for words. That's all for today. The idea because behind looking at these words every day so that we learn to use them. When we talk about encroachment or vultures to fly in Nehru Zoo.
Encroachment, first time I saw this word in agriculture. Some forestry subject is there to us. Then I saw that word. Plants encroach the water bodies.
Okay.
Some water plants encroach the water bodies. So that is the reason to die the fishes because
The fishes to die.
yeah, because low oxygen is going down due to this
Encroachment. So much of encroachment is happening. Even the jungles are being encroached upon. Cities are expanding, the jungles are being encroached upon, people are building more and more buildings or factories. So what happens with in the forest? Who lives in the forest? Animals?
Recently I listened some
Animals are losing their homes.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So their land is also, their homes are being encroached upon. Even the tribal people, their homes are also being encroached upon.
Yes.
So it's quite a sorry state of affairs.
Some popular persons are saying that where they are living before, all that area became pollution and
Polluted.
more sound. It's polluted, so they are going to other place. They are migrating to where there is no pollution and
People are migrating.
yeah, people are migrating and they are building more buildings in that area where
And
forest.
polluting all those areas again.
Yes, and again there also they are doing pollution only.
Okay, let's have some talk now. We can look at the topic and we'll have some. We can speak for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on the topic. Read it, please, aloud.
Take about a time.
Talk.
Sorry. Talk about a time when you were praised from something you did in school, college, or anywhere else.
Any experience? Yes. Praised or appreciated. It need not be a big thing, it can be something small also, like it happens in schools. Anything where you were appreciated, school or college or anywhere else, or whatever you might have done.
Yes, ma'am. In my graduation, I am the CR to my class.
What does CR mean?
Class representative.
Class representative.
Yeah.
Okay.
If anybody they didn't complete their assignments in time, I give some time to them to complete the assignments and I collect from them and I submit at evening time on the day.
In the evening or the same day?
In the evening, same day. And if class teacher or some other faculty, they want to scold the children, I stand first because I am the class representative and they scold me, not the whole entire class.
Okay.
And I protect like that my class children. So they praise me a lot. You are the good CR, you protect us, you next also you only our CR to our class.
Next year also.
Next year also. And teachers also, they like me very much. because everything I said before they coming to the class to take up the class, and if they want any extra class, they ask me to ask other faculty. I'll ask very politely them, if you are free or your syllabus is complete, can you please give the
Take an
session to
extra
the
class.
that ma'am. So all those people very happy for my services, and they always want to me as a CR for other years also. But I took that post how it is as a leader, how I feel that situation, because I read that one book in my library, that is leadership skills. In that book I read some leadership skills. In that, the first skill is, if some group has leader, that leader will be the front and group people will be back. If any problem comes, that leader should solve that problem and take that people back of them to the destiny along with
Very good, very good.
So I inspired that book, and
You're inspired by that book.
Yeah, by that book, and I choose to
Very
be
good.
a CR
I
to
think
that.
it was very noble also for you to sometimes take, some criticism sometimes from the teachers because
Yes.
the rest of your class had not submitted.
Yes, ma'am. One time what happened means, we have some PT classes in my college. My PT sir gave me the book, attendance book, to me to take the attendance. I took the attendance, and my time is over to go to the PG. So I handle that book to another person to give to the PT sir. Later that book gone, somewhere gone.
Okay.
That PT sir came and scolded me like anything. You don't have responsibility. You irresponsibility student, like that. This. But after we search for that book, it is in staff room only, in the PT sir desk only.
Oh, I see. Fine. Okay, that was a good experience, I think. So you were praised, you were appreciated by
my
the rest
class,
of the students,
my class
your
fellows,
classmates,
and my class teachers,
as well as your faculty members. That's very good. So I'm sure you have had many other experiences like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, another time we can definitely talk about some other experience where you were appreciated and praised. So thank you very much. That was a good session today. And any other, for law students, you think you are more confident right now, Swapna, to conduct, to have daily conversations? Do you feel that these sessions would be helpful for you?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
The more you talk, basically we talk about having more practice.
Basically, we want practice to improve our English.
Yes.
Many people don't have that option, that chance to practice.
Yeah. Yes. I know, I understand that situation. So that was nice. So we had have a very good evening, Swapna. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Okay,
and that's it. Thank you for today. Goodbye.